Really love the fan bike for its simplicity. Really easy to use if you have it set up right. And one of the things that people mess up the most is setting the seat height. So I'm going to show you on here. You can obviously hop on and ride it. But if you ride it like this, your legs are really going to be fried, really cooked out because the seat height is too low. So how do we set the seat height? Well, real quick way is you feel the hip bone right here. And then standing next to the bike, you're going to put the seat in the hip bone. That should be really close. And then at the bottom, your foot is going to be level to the ground or just bent slightly. Another really easy way to do it is to put your heel on the pedal and then pedal. And if your hips rock, the seat here is a little bit too high. So your hips shouldn't rock like they are right now. So I'm going to move it down. Okay, once again, back on the bike. I'm going to put my heel on the pedal on both sides. And as you can see now, my hips don't rock. That is an optimal seat height so that I can apply the most amount of power while being on the fan bike. Enjoy.